Ngina Kenyatta got married over the weekend to one Alex Mwai, her longtime boyfriend, and the news was first shared by Dennis Itumbi, whereby he was congratulating the two, saying, "Ngina Kenyatta, congratulations on your traditional wedding. May God fill your journey with blessings, solidify your union with your renewed love, and importantly, grant you a great family." Then later on, photos emerged of their traditional wedding. It was a private ceremony, of course, but photos of the event were shared by close family and friends who had attended that wedding. It was an African-themed wedding where the couple wore matching maroon outfits, whilst the rest of the guests donned different African prints. The groom, Alex Mwai, is said to be the son of the wealthy sports consultant and manager of the well-known Karen Country Club. Congratulations to the two newlyweds, Ngina and Alex Mwai.